Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing an unboxing of something I bought, an SLG that I bought from England, and here it is. So it's a vintage Louis Vuitton passport holder, and it's in great shape. I found this on Etsy and it's in great shape. Doesn't have any card holders because it's a vintage one, but yeah, this will be perfect for my passport. So yeah, check out Etsy. Sometimes you'll find some vintage pieces there. Thanks for watching my video. Follow me on Instagram at Designer Haul. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button down below. See you next time.